eDNA monitoring for Kanakana Piharau, a multi-Iwi rollout. Check your pack. Everything you need is in the sample bag. Select the site to take 3 eDNA samples. Put on your gloves. Kapai. Take out the 50 ml syringe. This can be used for all 3 samples. Draw 50 ml of water into the syringe. Make sure the water is clear. This will avoid the filter clogging. Do not take samples of turbid water. From your sample bag, take out the filter with the housing. Make sure the filter is secured firmly. Don't over-tighten or the housing could crack. Screw the syringe onto the housing. Press the syringe to push the water through the filter. The water should stream through the housing outlet in a single stream. If the water is spilling out through the gaps, this could mean the O-ring or the housing isn't firmly secured. To adjust, carefully unscrew the housing. Use the tweezers in your sample bag to adjust the filter and the O-ring. Just be careful not to tear the filter or lose the O-ring. Retighten the housing firmly and secure it back to your syringe. Once the water is filtering correctly, repeat the steps and aim for a total of 1 litre through the filter. Once the filtering becomes difficult, pull back slightly on the syringe or use your knee or similar to filter the last 50 ml. Even though the water looks clear, the filter may become clogged. Record how much water you managed to filter if clogged before 1 litre. Once all the water is filtered through, remove the housing from the syringe and draw in 50 ml air. Then reattach the housing and push the air through the filter. This should remove all of the excess water. Take the blue cap from the preservative syringe, put it on top of the housing still attached to the 50 ml syringe. Unscrew the housing from the syringe and attach it to the preservative syringe. Push this preservative syringe into the housing while tapping or slightly shaking the housing to ensure complete coverage. It's okay if the preservative bounces back into the syringe. Put the entire preservative syringe with the housing in the bags provided and record your information on the data sheet. Repeat with other 2 eDNA kits. Remember, you can use the same 50 ml syringe for the other tests. Place the 3 eDNA kits in a bag with the accompanying data sheet, ensuring all the labels are filled out in the bags and they match the site ID on the data sheet. Kept at room temperature or in the fridge until postage. Just don't put them in the freezer. Done. Put your bag in a return envelope and post back to Cawthron. Repeat the steps for the other 9 sites and return all 30 eDNA tests in the envelope provided back to Cawthron. Ngā mihi nui tima.